Hey guys, it's Sky Turtle here, and I just found this cool hack, or not hack, but glitch. I was trying to reload and then I started freaking out. I'm pretty sure this is already discovered, but just look at this. Okay, ready? Oh, what the heck? Why isn't it working? See, I'm not even reloading. So it's like I have infinity ammo. I was just spamming this and running. Hold on. Wow, RPG. Dang, I should have headshot him. But yeah, I just thought that would be cool. Wait. You have to be sprinting for it to work. It's a weird thing. It was working great last time. But yeah. So I guess I could just play a little bit from here. I wonder if it works with it. If it worked. Oh, dude. Nice. Because I always get like a double hit. And I always miss my shots. I'm like, well, is it lagging or what? That's dumb. Please. Dude, I swear, it always goes for me. I don't know why 100 killer drones like me so much. Hold on. Wait. Oh, I was gonna. Dang. I don't know how he must have heard me. Like, heard me. Look, it doesn't even take any ammo. What? Okay, it's lag all the time. It'd be kind of, I mean, it's not really practical unless you're like, oh. It's just something I found. You have to press square and you have to press R1 and you have to sprint at the same time. So my fingers are starting to hurt. Really? Really? Hit marker with the no scope. Wow. Come on, man. I'm just trying to hit no scope. Oh, hold on. I got this. Don't really. Oh, shoot. No, please. Okay, hold on. I got this. You should have seen it earlier. I just juked it. Juked them. Shoot, hold on. Let me just come over here and make sure no one's here. Shoot. Oh, I'm gonna turn around and when he gets in, I'm just gonna spray and pray like this. No. What if I actually hit him? I would be proud of myself. No, come on. And hold on. I wonder if it works for shotguns. If it does, that'd be boss. Because I can use the 12 and it won't even take ammo. Because this glitch doesn't take ammo. Because if it did, that'd be bad. Like, I run out. Without even having. I wonder if I get like a. I should have hit that. I think I should have. He might have crouched. That might be the only reason. No. run like that. Okay, there. Wow, that's just, wow. Hold on. No, wait. I only took a one bullet. No, 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 no. I was about to use it. I gotta get killed with it. Like, I gotta end this video with the kill. From that. Hold on. No, please, please, please. Beg. Oh, dude. I hate lag like that. Like, seriously. It lags and then it gets my hopes up. What? Okay, hold on. Oh, dude. This can might work for, like, the RPG. Just do. Shh. Bro, come on. Hold on. I got this guy, I got this guy, I got this guy, I got this. No, please, 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 please. Well, yeah. I'll play one more round for you guys because I haven't uploaded in a while. So, yeah. So I'm just going to skip to that. There we are. We're in, I managed to, it took me a couple tries, but I finally got Nuketown because I just wanted to play on Nuketown with y'all. I'm kidding. It only took me once. It was on the thing. And I was lucky. I might have edited it out a little bit more because I like playing Nuketown with y'all guys, but yeah. Okay, let's try this. Dude, that's just, I mean, it's not that OP. It's not that much of a good glitch. Being honest, like, it's a glitch, yes, but it's not that very good, though. Like, yeah, I mean, the only thing I really, like, there's no way you're gonna hit hold on. No, it didn't shoot! What? No! That might have been my only chance right there. Oh, you're dead. There. Let me just get a couple kills. So I don't go like 0 and something and then everybody's making fun of me. Okay, hold on. Let me just get a few kills. I'm just here, but I know from the title it's just that glitch, but yeah, hold on. Let me just get a few kills. I should probably end the video here. Yeah. Dude, I knifed him. I hate knives in this game. Hold on, I got this. Oh, I hate RPGs too. I got this, bang! Shoot, okay. Oh, come on. I hate those snipers. Please, no. Hold on, I got this guy. Just back up. And, wait. Get on top of the car. Oh, come on. I just got even. So, and then you in the comments don't think I suck at the game completely. Hold on. Why this thing? Go. Somebody get him. Somebody get him. I got this guy. If I actually would have hit that, I would have been like in the thing. There would have been trick shot on the thing. Like trick shot. I want to put with because that's not true. But yeah. I don't know. I might clickbait this. I don't really like that. Like, I like being true. But I might. Hold on, pork chop. You know what pork chop? Benjamin. Banana Man. Great channel. Go check it out. I love saying that. Okay, we're at 11 minutes. I believe. So, yeah. I mean, we're at 20 minutes in real life. But, on the recording. No way. No way. Hey. And plus, I have the computer today, so I might actually edit. Like, actually. Not the cheap edit I always do, but, like, actually edit. Hey, I can learn. I can look it up and everything. There's that. Oh, man, he wasn't there. I would have kept it if he was there, but he wasn't. Oh, I got this guy. No, I wish I had the knife. Whee! I should have no-scoped. Damn. Dang it. Hold on. Bam! Oh, I hate those snipers so bad. Okay, you're dead. You're dead, brother. Brother from another mother. I hate you snipers. It's not a sniper if it's semi. Shouldn't be auto at all. No, I was last kill. Well, anyways, guys, that was the video. I just wanted to show you all that glitch, and yeah, Banana Man, great channel. Go check it out. See you guys later, and stay toasty. Yeah.